Hey, welcome to How to Fix a Workshop. My name is Josh, and if you saw that little intro video, that is the exact reason why I need to finally make one of these dust separation carts. Check out howtofixaworkshop.com, where I'll have an article with some basic plans. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, and thanks for watching. So I just used some scrap wood that I had laying around my shop. I used 3 different thicknesses of material. I used some 3/4 inch plywood, which I'm cutting down here, some 1/2 inch MDF, and some 1/2 inch plywood. But I think all of this can be made out of 1 sheet of plywood. So here's where I'm at. I built the 2 side pieces. This is going to be the back. This piece is going to be the bottom. Which will fit in just like this. Shop-vac will go on the bottom. Dust separator will ride on top. So I just have to add another piece here for the middle shelf. I just used glue and nails to hold everything together. I thought about using pocket screws, but the material was just too thin and I didn't want to go through MDF with pocket screws. I just kind of stuck this together. Nothing is attached here with the shelves yet. But the shop-vac's going to fit nicely in the bottom there, and then the separator will be able to ride around up here a little bit. And then there'll be a couple pieces across the top and bottom here to keep everything in place. This one could be glued on because the dust collector is going to ride up on top and it can just be lifted out. But this one had to be screwed into place because I need to be able to slide the shop-vac in and out. Oh no! Yep, that was a mess. Clearly it's a good thing that I screwed this one in because I don't even have the shop-vac in there. So I'm going to unscrew these. I also have to cut out a little portion here so that the air hose has room to be able to plug in. The other thing I need to do to this lower half for the shop-vac is cut a hole in the back here for the exhaust. I rounded over all the corners here so there wouldn't be any sharp edges. Bruh. Yep, that's why I need a dust collection cart. So in these next couple steps here, I'm not going to go too in-depth in my electrical skills, but it's pretty simple to wire a switch from the power supply to the vacuum. look up on YouTube for videos to explain how to wire these things together. But it's pretty straightforward. Just wire the ground wires together and the neutral white wires together, and then the blacks attached to either side of the brass screws. Yeah, I was excited. These are just some 3-inch casters that I picked up from Lowe's. Now in these next couple of steps here, I'm just making some hose or wire holders to go on the sides of the shop-vac, just to have somewhere to put my extra shop-vac hose and the extension cable that I attached to the switch. Well, that's all there is to it, and this thing is a great addition to the shop. I'm really happy with how this turned out. And if you stuck around to the end of this video, really appreciate it. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And there should be some more videos on the screen here if you'd like to check those out from our channel. And once again, thanks for watching.